So you might be in this weird position where for some reason your iPhone just screen has a bunch of lines within it. Now, what does this even mean? Well, sometimes your particular device may just have a lot of random lines that just kind of run through maybe through the whole entire thing. And there's really just a few things that can happen. One, if it's a hardware problem, meaning if you have like random lines going around the whole entire display, if it's a hardware problem, meaning you like threw your phone or you dropped your phone really hard and then you have lines, the only main way to go and fix this is by going through and taking your phone into the Apple Store or to one of those places like that and essentially getting your phone replaced or getting your display replaced. That is essentially the main thing you can do here, and that is the first thing I recommend doing. Now, if you do that and that's not working, or let's say it was like a software update that kind of hurt it or whatever, you want to keep your eye out for another software update. So go through, make your way over to your iPhone settings application just like so. You're going to scroll down until you see General, so tap on the General, click on the software update, which is right up there. And what you're going to want to do here is you basically just want to go ahead and try updating your particular iPhone. This is probably another easy thing, an easy way that you can probably fix this problem. And that's another thing I recommend doing too. But if there's no software update available, another thing you may want to try doing is to actually go through and restart your phone. So hold down the buttons you normally use to just restart it and then slide the power off. So go and slide the power off your particular iPhone. And then you want to see if that ends up fixing the problem too. Like I said before, for a lot of people, that's probably all you're going to have to do. And that's another thing I recommend doing as well. Now, if that's still not working, another thing you may want to try doing here is you may just want to go ahead. I don't even know why my time zones sound like that. Another thing you may want to try doing here is to go and see, again, take it into the Apple Store and see if there's a way to go and fix it there, which there might be from their side. But those are basically the main ways to go and fix it for the most part. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.